the symphony of success. What does success sound like to you? Not to somebody else, not to your parents, not to your coworkers, not to your business partners, not to society, not to culture, but to you. What does the symphony of success sound like to you? And once you can fine tune and find that sweet melody that resonates just to you, to your soul, to your spirit as an individual, you need to pursue that with what? Focus. With all the distractions that are coming through. So you need to understand that you need to live an imbalanced life with a balanced perspective, understanding that you must sacrifice different things at different times. You must be focused to be attuned to the symphony of success that is particular to you, and only you can hear it. And to be okay with being misunderstood, to being judged, to being condemned and misrepresented in society because you do not fit the molds of culture.
It's about understanding that what you've been conditioned to believe is a bullshit. What you've been conditioned to feel about reality, what you've been conditioned to understand is true, is not true, and that the systems, the beliefs that you've been given are not yours, and that you're not bound and limited to these things in order to become an individual that achieves greatness. Greatness isn't what Luke Belmar tells you greatness is. Success isn't what Luke Belmar tells you success is. What is your symphony of success? When you hear success, right, what does that mean to you? What does that look like for you? It looks different for you. It looks different for me. But pursue that path. Most people know, hey, I want to pursue something. I want to become somebody. But then because of the fear of failure, the fear of judgment, the fear of insecurities, and shame on all these motherfuckers online that talk shit, because the last thing you want to be doing is criticizing and insulting somebody for trying.
When was the last time you sat down and defined your symphony of success? What does success look like to you? To me, it's not having a ton of properties and living in a big fat box and having a ton of supercars. No, to me, it's freedom. And I found that early on. Now I just am able to experience a different level of freedom with more toys and more things, and I can bring people along that journey with me to enjoy it. That is my symphony of success. And if I was to cater or falter to what other people told me what success was, then I have gone from successful to unsuccessful.
So you need to be irreplaceable, you need to be in high demand, and finally, you need to be the best at what you do. These are the three ingredients for success. So you need to be the best at what you do. Now AI gives you access and tools and the ability to really be at a God tier level when it comes to a lot of these white collar jobs. In fact, sometimes you see these anonymous posts on Reddit saying, hey, I've officially become an accountant for companies overseas, and I'm just using AI tools, and they're paying me just if I had a certificate or just as if I had a degree, and it works extremely well. So if you're in high demand, if you're the best at what you do, and if you're irreplaceable, you can always find a way to make money.
This is where success comes in. It's breaking the current patterns of behavior, because the current patterns of behavior that you have, because you realize that shit's fucked up. Like nobody's stupid. People see it and they're like, yo, this shit's fucked. Okay, but what can I do about it? Well, nothing. Because you look at your calendar and you're like, dude, I'm fucking busy. Dude, when I was cleaning toilets, pressure washing basketball, I was busy. I could still be there.